Hello student, let us continue the lesson. Next point is slide layout. So first we'll see what is the slide layout and how to use this slide layout in a Microsoft PowerPoint. And before continuing this point, if you have not yet subscribed my channel, click on subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get the notification whenever I upload any new videos. A slide layout refers to the general arrangement of various components of the slide. Usually in a slide we are adding different types of components, like we are adding the images, we are adding the charts, we are adding the clip arts, we are adding the music, we are adding the audio, video. So different types of components are getting added on the slide. Now slide layout means the arrangement of that components, whatever the components we are adding in a slide, so arranging that components on the slide. So that is a slide layout. It provides you with different ways to position your text, images or other graphic options. So this slide layout provides the different ways, means in a different way we can position the text what we have added in that slide, the images what we have added and the graphic option. So that can be arranged in a systematic order or in a proper order by selecting that proper layout. Microsoft PowerPoint offers various slide layouts for different purposes. So for the different purposes, we can use the different types of layouts. For example, if you want to compare any two things, or if you want to give only headings, or if you want to add only images. So in that cases, we need to choose that type of layout in a Microsoft PowerPoint. Let us have a look and briefly learn about the features of some commonly used slide layouts. So now here they are given some of the commonly used layouts in a Microsoft PowerPoint. So what is the use of that layouts and how to insert that layout, or how to change that layout, so that we are going to learn. So before that, let me add, or let me open PowerPoint, PowerPoint. Okay, so this is the Microsoft PowerPoint, and so this is the general layout. Okay, so this layout is displaying. So in this layout I am going to add the title and subtitle. Okay, whenever you want to add the title and subtitle, you can use this layout. Okay, so title slide, using this layout you can give title and subtitle to your presentation. So this placeholder is called as this placeholder is used for giving the title, and this placeholder is used for subtitle. For example, now here I am going to give a main title, that is computer, and subtitle I am going to give hardware. Okay, just subtitle is hardware. So in this way, whenever you want to give a title and subtitle, you can use this type of layout. Okay, next type. Okay, so let me close this paint, don't to say. Okay, then so next layout, that is title and content. This is the default layout. It contains two placeholders, one for the title and the other one for adding any text or graphics like charts, pictures, etc. So second layout is the title and content. In this you can add the title, and related to that title you can add the content. Okay, you will get two placeholders, and main first placeholder you can use it for the title line. So down placeholder you can use it to add the graphics, add the images, add the chart or pictures. You see here, let me add one slide. Okay, so this is the slide, and this is the second. Okay, so this is the title and content. Okay, so this is a slide. So now in this you can add, for example, I'll write hardware, and if you want to add the pictures, you can add the pictures from by using these icons. Okay, by using this icon you can add the pictures. Let me add it. Computer, click on go button. So like this you can add title and content. So this is second type of layout. So next type of layout comes, that is comparison. If you want to compare any this one, so any two things and all, in that case you can use this comparison. In this layout you will find a placeholder for the title and two placeholders on the left and right side for adding either text, graphics, or both. So you can see the image here. So first, in a first placeholder you can add the title, and down you are getting two placeholders, left and right side. So in this placeholder you can add the text, you can add the graphic, or you can add both text and graphics. So that is comparison, means you can compare the this one. What is this? You can compare any two objects and all whenever comes. In that case you can use, for example, let me insert one new slide. Click on home and new slide. So this is the title and content, but we don't want this, we want a comparison. So select that slide, click on layout, then select comparison. Automatically that slide layout gets changes to comparison, and here you can add, for example, here computer, and in this computer I want to compare hardware and software. You can add the difference between hardware and software like this. Whatever the points are there, you can add in these two placeholders, or if you want to add the pictures, you can add the pictures also by using these icons. So this is for picture, this is for clip art, and this is for adding the audio or video. Okay, and this is for chart, and this is for table, and this is for smart art graphics. So you can compare the contents. So that is comparison. Next, picture with caption. The upper part in this layout is used to place only a picture. The lower section holds a placeholder where you can add title or caption for the picture. If you want to display the picture with the caption means title or heading, in that case you can use this picture with caption layout. Okay, so when we add a new slide, so slide is displaying with this, and we'll change it to title picture with caption. Okay, so this upper part displays only picture, and lower part is used to display the caption. So click on this picture icon, and select the picture and click on insert. So picture will be inserted, and here you can add the caption for this picture. Okay, and add mountains. Okay, so this is a way to add pictures as well as caption for that picture. According to your requirement, you have to change the layouts. Okay, just click on this layouts button, and you choose different types of layouts are given here. Automatically, according to that, you can insert the content in that slides. Okay, I hope you have understood this point, how to use the slide layouts in a PowerPoint presentation. And if you are not yet subscribed my channel, click on subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get the notification whenever I upload any new videos. Thank you for watching.